To Spain now, where the authorities say the death toll from flooding has now topped 200. Rescuers say 205 people are dead, but a minister earlier said dozens and dozens are missing. While emergency teams are struggling to restore basic services days after the devastating floods which caused widespread issues, and over 500 military personnel have today joined the search and clean-up operation. The Valencia region was hit by an entire year's worth of rainfall in just a few hours. It triggered flash floods and swollen rivers.